Hello everyone. So in today's lectures we will see the vertical search engine. So what is called a vertical search engine? So vertical search engine is a way of providing a search result based on limited set of data. So when you have limited set of data and you require the result, at that time the vertical set or vertical search will give you a better result as compared to any other result. So that vertical search is very useful to the user who gives a better output, better result as compared to another result. Vertical search usually returns output in the form of image, videos, news, and sometimes blog searches. So when you require the output like in the format of image, video, news or any other blog searches, at that time the vertical search result is a very useful search. Vertical search provides a good opportunity to SEO experts for showing their products and services. So vertical search is very useful to the user, which provides a product and services, and it will give a good opportunity to the SEO experts who gives their product and services information and so many things the business related, so that vertical search provides a good opportunity to SEO experts, which can be helpful to the SEO as well as the users. Good ranking of product or services in vertical search can provide a ranking to a website as well. So in Google rating or any other search engine rating, if you provide a product and the services information, then it gives you a best result and the best ranking as compared to any other search engine, so that it gives you a better result, better ranking to your website. This is the things which can be helpful to the user, and the result will be provided up to the required information. So the different search engine is also available in the market. We will see the Google search engine, Yahoo search engine, blog search engine, Bing search engine. How this gives you a better result in search engine with the use of vertical search. So we will see one by one search engine how they will give us a result in a better ways. So first, Google search engine also provides a Google Map, Google Image, Google Product Search, Google Blog Search, Google Videos, News, Custom Search Engine, Google Book Search, etc. So this will be helpful to the user. Whenever the user required a map, they directly see the map. If a user required images, they directly search the image. They require the video, they directly views the videos. So here we will see an example. So this is the Google search engine. Here you can see my cursor is moving. When you click on the image, at that time Google will give you an information of image search in vertical search. Suppose if you move here in a tabular format, the grid is there, and you search on maps and click on map, then Google will divert it to a Google Maps, and whatever the information you would like to search, you can directly forward it of a particular result. If you click on the news, then it will give you a news information which is available right now up to the time. So this is the things which can be helpful. If you move to the books, here the books is there. If you click on books, then the Google search engine or a Google vertical search engine gives you an information of books. Here you can see. If you see the book's name, say for example Dr. Abdul Kalam, and click on the search button, it will give you an different books which has been written by our past president Dr. Abdul Kalam. So if you search more than this, the blog search is also available. If you click on that blogger search, then it will give you a blog search information. If you require to search, you can search it of a blog, or you can create your own blog. We will see in later on how to create our own blog. So these are the things which can be provided on a Google search engine with the use of vertical search. So next is the Yahoo search. So Yahoo is also providing us facilities like this: news, local, images, shopping, audio search, etc. So we can see also the Yahoo search engine, how they will provide us a vertical search in Yahoo. So here we have written down the URL is called yahoo.com. When I will click on the yahoo.com and the page is loaded, at that time it gives us an information of the vertical search. You can see here the layout is changed. The Google has its own layout, Yahoo has decided his own layout. So you can see the here information regarding crickets, news, finance, lifestyles, movies, women's, and if you click on more, then you can see all the details which has been provided by the Yahoos in vertical search. So these are the things which can be helpful to the user when they are using a vertical search engine. So the next is a Bing image, Bing videos, Bing news, Bing maps, health, product, etc. This type of search is also provided by the Bing search engine. So this type of search is also provided by the Bing search engine when you are using these things. So now we will see one by one what is called an image search, video search, news search, local search, blog search, book search, shopping search, and universal or blended search. So first we see the image search. So image search is a facility which is widely available in today's market. Whenever the user requires any information, at that time this information is provided by the image search, and it will give you a better result as compared to another result. Image search returns out in a specific format only. So image search gives an output or returned a result in a specific format only. Also, image search is quite limited because the images are stored in a binary forms and search engine crawlers cannot read or interpret the images. In previous lectures, we have seen the crawler or spider which can read your text, but the limitation is that the crawler cannot read or interpret the image, so that there may be so many chances the page is not getting a good ranking. Search engines are highly dependent on the alter attributes of the image and the file name of the image, because the crawler does not interpret the image or read the image, so that search engine is highly dependent on alter attributes. When you provide an alter attributes to the image, an alter tag, at that time the file name of the image you can give like a keyword, so that it will be helpful to use. The figure below shows a Bing search engine. Here we will see an example of Bing search engine, so that we can get the better result So here in URL I am writing down the Bing search engine, bing.com, and I will search the images of Lord Shiva. Suppose when I click on this, it will gives me an image, all the results, see. But when I click on image button here in vertical search, then it will gives a result look like this. So this is the things which can be helpful to get the result. So the search engine like Google have started offering services for image related searches. So in previous examples also we have seen that Google is also providing image search facilities or services to the user. So we can also see the example of a Google search engine who provides us a facility like an image. So here we click on the images. So you can see here the Google image service is available. When you click on Lord Shiva, and it will give you a result of all the god photos or images of Lord Shiva. So this is the things which can be helpful to the user when they require the information. We just need to drag and drop the image in Google image search box. We do not need to provide a much more information. Just you can click on and Google image search box will gives you a result. Google will show result based on the image content like alternate text. In alter tag we provide the text. So Google will gives you an result like this alter text on an image. So the next vertical search is news search. News search is also an emerging search techniques incorporated in search engine. The news search is an emerging technologies or techniques which can be helpful to the search engine. Here, news related or a news result are shown in dynamic manner. News changes from the minute to minute. News is based on instantaneous response from the various sites. So think on that. The news channel is providing us a news within a few minutes in all over the globe. So when you want to search any news, it will give you minute to minute information, an instantaneous response of various sites. Not even a single sites, different sites. It gives, collect the news and provide the users. So vertical search plays an important role in search is it can provide multiple results to the user based on the query provided. So vertical search plays an important role in news search and also provide a result to the user based on the query provided by the users. New data is generated timely and a regular basis. All the new data is generated by the Google search or any other search in news, and it gives you a regular information to you all the peoples. So now below figure shows the Yahoo result for a news search. We will see an example of it, how the Yahoo search is provide us a better result to the users. So we see the example of Yahoo search. So here we have written down the yahoo.com. It gives a result like a yahoo.com, and when you click on a news button or clicks on a link, at that time it gives you a latest updated news of all over the world. So you can see this is the updated news of the world. See, but if you require only national wise, it gives you, suppose I will here search only India. So it gives us a result only of the India's. See, India's news. But if you search here in a news search, you can see here Yahoo news search, and you can search on America, then it gives us a result of United States or an America's result, the news search, America's news. So this will provide us the result of a particular nation-wise when you required it. So the next one is a local search or a map search. So what is called a local search and map search? Map search is also known as a local search. The result of a map search are integrated with the web search result. When you have a result and This map search result are integrated with the web search. Map search would search the database for names, phone numbers, location of a business around the world, and give a direction to reach that place. So, when you want to search any information on map search, so this type of information from the database also provided on a map search result, like name, phone number, location of a business around the world, and gives a direction to reach a particular place. Below figure shows a Google map or a local search result. We will see the example later. Combination of local search result with regular web search result has increased the traffic through the local search. So the combination of both the search, local search and web search result are increase the traffic, because when the local user is also searching and the entire globe user is also searching, so both will combine it and the traffic is obviously increasing. So we will see an example of map search which are available on the Google's services. So here the map search is available. So when I click on the map search and I would like to get the direction, I don't know what will be the route, what are the place where it is situated. So here in a simple example, suppose I will give the starting point from Jetpur, Gujarat, which is my hometown, and the destination place of US Pizza. Suppose I want to go US Pizza, and which is the nearest place for me. Suppose I want to travel from one location to another location and I want to eat the pizza in Rajkot. So what I can do? US Pizza Rajkot, and when I click on the search button, it will gives me an information of the place. Where is the US Pizza? See here. How many times it will take. Near about kilometers is also that. When I click on that particular location, at that time it gives me an information like address. In slide we have seen a phone number or a mobile number. Also you can see the nearby location or a nearby restaurant also. So this is the things which gives you an information of a particular local search result. Then next search is a blog search. So Google is also providing facilities like blog search. So blog search engine has started implementing a search called Google Blog Search, which is slowly based on Google. So Google search engine, blog search engine is implemented by the Google, and it gives much more facilities to the user as compared to any other things. This search engine will only search blog and provide a result to queries. So Google search engine is also providing this type of facilities. It can be given as follows. We can see the result when I will write down the Google, and here I will write the blog of food. Suppose here I will write down as an example. So when I click on the blog of food, at that time it gives me a blog like a food which are available on the Google. So here you can see I am a foodblog.com. So these are the different types of blogs which are available of foods. So if you would like to search a particular blog, you can get the information of that blog. If you go to this blog, I am a food blog, and it will give you a result like a food blog. So these are the things which can be helpful to search a blog. Then the next search is a book search. This is emerging search techniques offered by the Google. It is like a vertical search engine which is designated to search a result within books only. It can be shown as below. So we can see also the book search engine, how it will works. So here in the grid menu, when I click on the books, at that time the Google Books is available, and when you write down the book's name, say for example Stephen King's, and when I click on the search button, then it will give me all the books of the Stephen King's which are available on the Google page, and you can read a particular book. See here, the image is there, and when you click on the buttons, you can read the particular books. So these are the facilities provided by the Googles. If you do not want to like a purchase, you can, if you read to chapter number 7, you can directly click on that. You will be moved on a particular page. So this type of facilities will be available on the Google search engine, which gives you a better result as compared to another. Then after, the next result is a shopping search result. So shopping search is one type of vertical search. Shopping is also providing a vertical search result to the user. This also, the product and its detail would be shown in a vertical search box. When you would like to display a product and any other information, at that time the vertical search will be useful. Microsoft has also started providing a unique vertical search properties. Shopping search can be given as below. So the Microsoft is also providing this type of facilities. So now we will see what is called a shopping result. So we have here writing down the Google search, and when I write down a mobile, say for example, so it gives me an information like a particular shopping. Here you can see when I click on the shopping, at that time it gives me an information of all the mobiles which are available in the market. So these are the things which can be helpful to all the peoples. They require to shop anything from the market. So this type of facilities is also provided by the shopping result in the market. Now the next vertical search is a video search. So video search has been incorporated as a search engine tool in many search engines. So you can also search with the use of video search. Video is quite similar to an image search as we have previously seen. A search engine cannot read or interpret to videos, as video are also stored or available in the binary form. And previously we have seen the images is also stored in a binary format. So the video search is also stored in the binary form. So we can the crawler will not interpret or read it. Video are recognized through their headers and surrounding content on the web pages. Below image shows the YouTube video searching tool provided by the Googles. When you click on the YouTube from the Google services, and here if you write down learn SEO and click on that, so you will got so many videos of the learn SEO. So this is the things which can be provided on the video search on YouTube. Search engines are adopting new technologies for analyzing images and videos. Search engines are adopting the new technologies for analyzing images and videos and get much information as possible from them. For example, search engines are trying to use an OCR technology to get the text within image so that it will be helpful to the users for getting the better result. So now the next is a universal search or a blended search. So Google was the first to integrate an image, video and vertical search into the main web search result. So Google gives all type of facilities to the user to search particular things on a single result. This integration of various search techniques is known as a universal search. So all the integration image, video and vertical search technique combination is called a universal or a blended search. It was a name given by Google, then other search engine named this technique is called as a blended search. The name given by Google is called a universal search, and other search engine has given this name is called a blended search. Universal search of Google looks as a given by below. We will see an example of it later on. So in the above image we can see the image result with a news result. So we want to see it examples. So here we have write down the google.com, and here we have write down the Kalpana Chawla. If we click on that, we will see here as a result we can see the videos, images and the link. So this all the combination, see here image, you can see it's a videos, you can see it's a link or a URL. So this all the things combination is called a universal search or blended search. It also includes a vertical search result, which consists of videos result. Web search is also included in the search results. So these things include all the results of a particular things. It also includes a vertical result which consists of video result. Web search is also included in the search result. With the blended search, there is an increased opportunities for SEO experts to show their corresponding data into vertical search results. So this blended search will also provides the better result. This data can also generate an additional traffic to the sites. So this type of data will also generate an extra traffic to the sites. So now the meta search. Meta search engine are a search which are formed by combination of search results from various search engines. Two of the most famous are metacrawler.command and dogpile.com is a meta search. The search volume of this engine is quite low, and so they do not affect the SEO strategies, because the crawler.com and dogpile.com search engine is quite low volume, so they will not affect the SEO strategy. More specialized vertical search engines are. Vertical search can also be requested by third parties. Some examples of vertical search are comparison shopping engine using a result such as Google Shopping, Become and many other. So here is an example of different meta search engines. Travel search engines such as Travigo, Xgo, Sumatra. Nowadays the marketing is available also. Uber. So this type of travel facilities is available. If you see the real estate search engine such as Makan.com, Magic Bricks is there. You can see that these are the different search engines which gives you a related offer like a real estate. People search engines is like a cause, independent people directory. So search engine such as Monster, Science, Jobsite, music search engines as the Indian stations, business to business search engines like Getty, BizSports, Biz and Yellow Pages. These all are the things which can be helpful. We can also customize the search engine product and can build our own search engine. Example of such customized search engine is Google's custom search engine. Tester and Rolio. Vertical search is becoming an integral part of major search engine. There are a number of problems faced while performing an effective search on the web. So many problems are faced when performing effective search. Such problems can be solved by performing a search based on specific file extension, file type, area of interest, geography and other things. So these types of problems may be solved by vertical search. It also improves the quality of the result which we get. So this will improves the quality of the result and gives a best result to the user when they are moving to the site. So these are the things which we will consider when developing a particular website.